Okay, so good day class. Activity natin tomorrow is upgraded version ng ating solve shift. Okay, so we will be using solve shift 2. Okay, so yung ating activity for tomorrow, magfa-fasi ulit yung uh, I think that's group 4. Group 4 ata. Okay, so punta na tayo. Okay, so yung seating arrangement natin parehas pa rin dun sa last time. Okay, so this is for 7, this is for 5. And, okay, mechanics natin same, almost same. Okay, so ito pa rin sa formula, tapos yung given, substitution, final answer, tapos yung compilation. And then, ang pinagkaibahan kasi dito class is yung sa activity flow. Okay, so meron tayong ano dito. Okay, so meron tayong problem. Tapos, siyempre yung answer. So, yung activity flow natin dito, class. Mangyari, the problem will be picked by all first row members simultaneously. Okay? So, at the start of our activity, bubunot yung ating, yung mga magsusulat ng formula natin ng problem from the, the pool of problem, dun sa problem na ibibigay ng ating mga FASI, okay? There will be a total of of 15. Okay, there will be a total of 15 problems. A minimum of 15, sorry. Minimum of 15 problems to be solved by you. Tapos yung 15 problems na yun, na shuffle siya of course. 'Di ba bubunot, tapos na shuffle siya. Meron tayong 5 na easy, may 5 na average, tapos may 5 siguro na difficult. Okay? Ayun, na-shuffle siya, bubunot na lang yung first row, yung mga first row natin every round. And then, pabilisan maubos yung class. Pabilisan maubos yung ating, wala na ito, problems. Okay, pabilisan maubos yung ating problems. So, the timer will starts once the problems are picked out. Tapos, yung FASI, kukollect nila yung output every time they complete a problem. Siyempre, may compilation part tayo dun. And then, time to finish all problems is recorded. Okay? So, time to finish all problems. Yung 15 or kung ano lang yung kaya. Tapos, yung other instructions, yung FASI na lang magbibigay later on. So, yung base ng acting activities yung ganito, okay? So, bubunot si first row ng sasagutan nyo, and then magsusulat siya ng formula. Tapos, kikita nyo dyan, guys, this is red. Okay, kikita nyo yung red dyan. Red, preferably red sana yung pagsusulat ng formula. And then after niya masulat yung formula, ipapasa niya na 'to agad, wala na tayong timer. Okay? So ipapasa niya na 'to agad dun sa ating next na student. Okay, next na row. So pagkabunod, pasa, and then mapapansin niyo nagpalit yung nito class, nagpalit yung color nito. So ibig sabihin, by this time dito sa given, blue. Okay, blue dapat yung ballpen na gagamitin natin for the given. Okay? And then next, ayan, sa substitution natin black, okay? So pagkatapos ni second row, paunahan to class ha. Paunahan to. Any part of this, mm, kung nasa final answer na kayo, okay lang 'yan. Wag yung sabayan yung first row ng group 1, gano'n. Ay, yung second row ng group 1, pabilisan 'to. Okay, so mag-substitute na siya. Okay, pagka-substitute niya, yun. Yan na yung final answer, which is babalik tayo sa red. Okay, so babalik tayo sa red. Yan. And then, i-compile niya. Tapos, yan, compile dyan. And then, new round tayo. Okay, pagka-compile, new round. Mag-iiba yung tao natin dito, pero yung ano pa rin dito class, kung ano yung ballpen na ginamit natin nung una na red, tapos this is blue I think, tapos this is black, tapos this is red. Okay? So, for the next problem, the group in front will move to the back and each member will shift one row forward. Tapos this is yours. Okay? Tapos checking after the activity, facilitators will collect and write the compiled answers for checking and feedback. Okay? So, ito. We have a format here. Ay, sorry. We have a format here pala. Okay, so ito. Ayan, group number, tapos si problem, tapos si formula to be written in red, si given to be written in blue, si substitution to be written in black, tapos si final answer. Okay? So, isang buong bond paper yung ibibigay dun sa dun sa ating mga ah, players. Okay? Isang buong bond paper bibigay sa player. Ipasa-pasa na lang to. Okay? So, ulitin natin. Let's move to, ulitin natin. Okay. So, ulitin natin na. First, bubunot tong mga to. Okay? Once na sinimulan na nilang bumunot tong mga to, mag-start na yung timer natin. Okay? Tapos, kapag nabasa na niya, nasulat na niya in red, magmo-move na siya. Kahit hindi na to kahit hindi na to sabay-sabay, basta kapag nasulat na niya yung formula, ipapasa niya na agad dun sa kabila yung problem with the answer sheet or yung bond paper. Tapos isusulat niya na yung given, yung second one, yung second row, susulat na yung given. Pagkasulat niya yung given, ipapasa niya yung problem at saka yung answer sheet. Tapos isusulat niya ng black. Tapos pagka nasulat na niya yung substitution, isusulat na nung isa yung final answer. Tapos tapos after that, i-compile na, ibibigay na kay Fasi. And then magshi-shift na sila yan compile na ibibigay kay Fasi. And then magshi-shift na sila ng upuan and then mauulit na naman yung nangyari nung unang problem. Okay? So ganun yung mangyayari hanggang sa matapos yung ang tawag nito, matapos yung ating 15 problems siguro or kung sino mauna, okay? Paunahan naman siya. Tapos yung pointing system kasi natin, yung pointing natin class, yung ano na lang, yung mga fuzzy na lang yung magsasabi tomorrow. Basta ganun yung mangyayari, pabilisan na ngayon. Okay? So, thank you. So, yun yung yun yung solve shift 2 natin. Okay? So, prepare for tomorrow.